I think all of you are assembled here. Dear participants, for today, we started our session at around 8:30 a.m. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start at around 10 a.m. Please join before 10 to 15 minutes to avoid last minute technical glitch which you may suffer. As you already know, we are conducting all this faculty development program on Microsoft Teams platform. And this Microsoft Teams platform, it is a little bit heavier to load. So it will be better you put your videos off and mic off while you join the sessions. Tomorrow we have a session starting at 10 to 11:30 by Professor Ajoy Ghatak sir. Then we have a break of half an hour. Then 12 to 1:30 we have a Dr. Juhi Deshmukh madam on stress management. And in the evening 2:30 to 4 we have a session by Professor Pramod Watekar sir. One more thing, for today's third session, that is by Dr. Nana Sahib Turat, which is on the interface of photonics for health applications or medical applications. That will commence at 2:30 p.m. We will share the link on the WhatsApp group. All the links will be shared on the WhatsApp group. During the session itself, during every session, we will share the attendance link on your WhatsApp group. This is one important thing. You need to fill the attendance at the link is active for 10 minutes. So you need to be careful and you need to fill the attendance within that specified time. This is important thing. Second important thing is that we have received a registrations of around 160 participants. But today the maximum participant joined were around 120. For those who can't join, we will be helpless for them to provide their attendance to the AICTE. Daily, at the end of the day, in the evening, we will share with you, again on the WhatsApp group, a link for the feedback form for the day. This is the same feedback form which is provided on the AICTE portal and which you need to submit at the end of this faculty development program. For simplicity, we are recording it on daily basis. There are a few questions which can be answered by using drop-down menu on the scale of 1 to 5. 1 for the worst and the 5 for the excellent session. Then there will be a daily quiz. The link for the quiz will be shared on your WhatsApp group. You can attempt. The link will be open for tomorrow morning 7 a.m. If we suppose, for example, if we share it today evening between 6 to 7 p.m. you can attempt the answers up to tomorrow morning 7 a.m. This is for the daily quiz. Then you have to fill up the feedback form. That will also be shared between 6 to 7, and you have to submit it midnight 12 for today, for example. So daily before midnight you have to submit the feedback form, and next day morning 7 a.m. you need to submit the quiz, daily quiz. That is a Google based quiz. As I already told you, the attendance is mandatory for all these sessions. We automatically monitor the attendance on the Microsoft Teams platform also, but sometimes your name, suppose you are logging as a guest, sometimes the name comes as a live CID in 1 or 2 cases. In that case, we have a clear idea. We monitor the attendance recorded in the Google form. Therefore, please submit the attendance in the Google form for every session. We have a 15 technical sessions. Actually, these two sections were combined, first and second session, wherein we had a plan of Professor David Sokolov's lecture and Lemar Madam, Suad Lemar Madam. So these two sessions were planned, but sorry for inconvenience, we started little late due to our president arriving little late. So we started late and we could not accommodate Lemar Madam's session here. But her session is again, one more session is planned on the Friday evening, that is 2:30 p.m. So the second session, you'll get the attendance link for second session also. You can give the attendance for this one also, because from last quarter to 4 hours you are having live. At the end of this faculty development program, the three things are very important. One is your attendance, second is your feedback on all the sessions, and next one is the MCQ based, the result of MCQ based the test. Passing criteria to get certificates to 50%. That is the final quiz. So to have a better idea of the quiz, we are conducting daily quiz for your convenience only. So do attempt a daily, fill up the attendance during the sessions, and submit the feedback form at the end of the day. If you have any queries, you can always raise your hands.
Sir, your voice is not clear too much. It's very tough to listen or put ears on always on a laptop.
Okay, Miss, my voice is not audible.
There is so much for your voice is too much cutting down.
Maybe from your side there may be the bandwidth problem.
Now it's clear now, but sometimes when you speak, there is so much echoes in your voice, and that's why it's very tough to listen or to understand which things you are telling.
Shall I repeat the things?
Yes, sir. I think yes, sir.
Dear participants, we have 15 technical sessions. Session 1 and 2 is over almost. The third session is scheduled at 2:30 p.m. by Dr. Nanasaheb Turat. He is from University of Oxford, and he will speak on interface of photonics with medical or healthcare applications. The link for the session will be shared on the WhatsApp group. From tomorrow onwards, we have sessions starting at 10. First session at 10 to 11:30. Second session 12 to 1:30, and third session 2:30 to 4 p.m. During every session, you have to fill up the attendance form, the link which is provided on your WhatsApp group. The link will be valid for a short duration of 10 minutes, and you should keep attention towards that link. At the end of the day, you have to fill up the feedback form. The link for feedback form will be activated in the evening between 6 to 7 p.m. and that will be active till midnight. At the end of the day, you have to appear for daily quiz. The link for quiz will be shared on your WhatsApp group between 6 to 7 p.m. and the link for quiz will be active next day morning 7 a.m. That's clear. We have 15 technical sessions and one valedictory session on the last day, a very short valedictory function on the last day of the FDP, that is on the Saturday, 7th November 2020. Your cooperation is highly appreciated. When you join the session, please join before 10, at least 10 minutes, because I know personally that to join Microsoft Teams is a little bit heavier. It requires a lot of bandwidth. Always keep your mic on mute and video on off mode to avoid the interference. If you have any questions or queries during the session, you raise your hand. We will permit you to ask the questions. Apart from this one, if you have any queries, you can raise hands now. We will be happy to answer your questions and queries. Anybody, if it is having any query, please raise your hands. Kaur madam, is it fine for you?
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much for repeating everything. Thank you so much.
Okay. Dr.
Yadav sir, excuse me.
Yes.
The link for attendance has been closed down, it seems, because I was searching for my FTP code. So I found it, and by that time, your link of attendance has been closed. So please, will you please open it? Okay.
Yes, yes. Sir, immediately I will ask my colleague to open both the links for session 1 and session 2.
Yeah. Because it's beginning. No problem. Sir.
Yes, I know, sir. I know. No problem, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. You're welcome. Any of the participants having any query?
Hello, Yadav sir.
Firdaus sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have shared the link for only one session, right?
Second session also you will get it, sir. No problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Abhijit sir, now the session will start at 2:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Kalim Ahmed sir, please proceed.
Hello. Hi, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, I want to know, you also share the feedback link on the WhatsApp group, or where you will share?
We will share everything on the WhatsApp group.
On the WhatsApp group. Because here in the chat, I can't find anything on the link.
Yes. That some because you are made attendees cannot access the chat. That is the problem.
Oh.
Well, we'll solve it. But anyway, we'll be providing everything on the WhatsApp group.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Piyush, sir.
Sir. At what time the session will start, sir? Now.
2:30 p.m.
Sir, second session.
Second session already. This is the second session.
Hello.
And we had just introduction of this.
Okay, it is from morning. So morning to this time was 2 sessions continuously.
Yes, 2 sessions continuous.
Hello. So, should we log out now, sir?
If you don't have queries, you can leave, sir. No problem.
Hello.
Okay, sir. May I leave, sir?
Hello.
Please proceed.
Voice is not coming.
Sir, when we'll get the second session, this attendance form, that will come?
You will get immediately on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, so now 2 session is over or only 1 session over?
Both sessions are over. We are concluding the second session. Part of the second session.
One attendance link.
You'll get for second, no problem.
Okay, sir. So now we can leave?
Yes. Those who don't have queries can leave, but be sure that you will be there at 2:15 for the lecture by Professor Thural from Oxford University.
Okay.
Hello, Abhijit sir. Hello.
Yes.
Where I will get my ID, sir? Participant ID. I didn't get it.
Satish sir, we have shared this in the WhatsApp group. I think you are.
Just I have joined later. That's why I don't know, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is in WhatsApp group, sir.
Once again share it, that sir. Then I will get it.
Yes. No
जो
problem,
attendance उसमें अटेंडेंट पार्टिसिपेंट है ना, उनमें दिया हुआ है कॉलम
यस यस
आपके FDP ID का, जो हमें पार्टिसिपेंट की लिस्ट चाहिए ना, उसमें दिया हुआ है।
Thank
Once
you,
again, we
sir.
will share the
Nicely
participant list.
organized, sir. Wonderfully organized, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sorry, Abhijit sir.
Now leave
Yes,
it, sir.
I have
We'll
a
join at
question.
2:15 p.m., sir.
Abhijit sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have now shared second attendance link for second session, right? But
Yes.
you have already merged the first and second session. So second
Yes.
session में भी resource person का नाम वही सुकौलो सर ही लिखेंगे.
So कल आप लिख दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, नहीं तो किसी का मेरा भी लिख दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो अटेंडेंस के लिए है खाली.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
What is, sir?
If anybody is joining using your link in the WhatsApp group, so they could not be see the all other matter whatever we discussed in the group. Sorry, 1 second.
Okay, we will resend the matter. Just what we have shared already is the instructions and the list of participants. That will again once we will share.
So therefore they cannot be see the whatever we have discussed in previous, that they cannot be see in the WhatsApp group. Only they can be look after the whatever they're going on after they are joining. So therefore they didn't get that what is called ID. So just for suggestion.
My colleague will immediately share the
Yes, sir.
participant instructions once again. No problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Kanchana ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. So here in the resource, you have sent the link for the second session where the resource person, can I put your name? Because it is just a queries session.
Yes, you can put, no problem. Because
but the title
sessions.
Okay, sir. But the title of the session, sir, it is mandatory. It is put as a
introduction to photonics.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine,
That
sir.
is given in the schedule also.
Fine, sir. I'll put the same. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anybody is having any other query? If you don't have queries or questions.
Sir, I have queries. Is it audible?
Yes, yes, perfectly.
Abhijit Yadav, sir, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are perfectly audible.
Yes, sir. First, I would like to thank organizing team for organizing such a beautiful FDP, and the theme is entirely different. It is not common at all. It is entirely different theme. Certainly, we all will get benefited.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, let me ask one thing. Can we get recording of these sessions, because sometimes because of the internet problem, it is not audible or voice is breaking. So is it possible?
Yes, yes, yes. You will get the recordings, but we are recording this on the Microsoft platform. It takes a lot of time to convert this into the MP4 videos, but give us one day. We'll put it in the Google Drive or some YouTube, and then we will share link with you.
Okay. And one more thing, in chat box, it is not possible to see the messages. They are saying that chat in channel meetings is only available to team members.
Yes, yes.
And David sir has given some important links. So can you paste it on WhatsApp group, all the links?
He has given 2 links, one for his book and one for his web portal. Both links we have pasted in the WhatsApp group. One more he has suggested the link is the
Yes.
that I will put into the WhatsApp group physport.org.
Yes, sir. Please put it on the WhatsApp group so that we will get.
Surely, I will put it.
Okay. Thank you, sir, once again.
Thank you, madam. Yeah, friends, if I think there are no further queries, we will end the session. You are always free to ask the questions on WhatsApp chat, or you can directly make a call, or even you can write email to me on my email ID. Already we had a communication. You have received the confirmation from my email ID only, aay_physics@yahoo.co.in. 2 links we need to share that we will share on the WhatsApp group given by Professor Sukolov sir. And please, I request you to join at a sharp 2:15 for Dr. Nanasar Turat sir's. He is from University of Oxford lecture on interface of photonics with a healthcare approach. So thank you one and all. For now, I will end this session, both sessions, and then we'll join the third session at around 2:15 sharp. Okay, thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And